In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook application icon missing from the Windows taskbar. If Outlook runs but its icon vanishes or won't show, follow these quick fixes to bring it back without reinstalling or digging through complicated settings. Start by making sure Outlook isn't hiding when minimized. Look at the notification area near the clock on the right of the taskbar. Click the small arrow if some icons are hidden. Find the Outlook icon, right-click it, and if Hide when minimized is checked, click it to uncheck. That forces Outlook to stay on the taskbar when you minimize the window. If you don't see Outlook there, open the app so the tray icon appears, then right-click and change the setting. Minimize Outlook to confirm the icon now remains visible. Next, pin Outlook to the taskbar so the icon persists. Open the Start menu, type Outlook, then in the results, right-click the Outlook app you use and choose Pin to Taskbar. If it's already pinned, select Unpin from Taskbar, then pin it again to refresh the shortcut. After pinning, click the new taskbar icon to launch Outlook and test minimizing and restoring to make sure the icon stays put. If the icon still won't behave, refresh Windows Explorer, which drives the taskbar. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. If you see the compact view, click More Details. Under the Processes tab, find Windows Explorer, right-click it, and choose Restart. The taskbar will briefly disappear and reappear. When it returns, open Outlook again and check whether the icon now shows correctly. If the icon appears blank, broken, or unresponsive, first restart your computer. If that doesn't help, run a system file check. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the window, type sfc/scano and press Enter. Let the scan reach 100%. It will repair any corrupted system files it finds. When it finishes, restart the PC, open Outlook, and confirm the taskbar icon loads and responds normally. That's all it takes. Disable Hide when minimized, pin Outlook, refresh Windows Explorer, and if needed, repair system files. With these steps, your Outlook icon should reliably appear on the Windows taskbar. Thanks for watching.